Good morning, student. Student, as you know, your unit test second examination of 2021 already declared by the school. Okay, and I have also sent the syllabus of your unit test second. So you know that your chapter number 10 to chapter number 8, 9, 10. Okay. Seven, 8 and 9, 10. Your unit test syllabus. Unit test second syllabus. Okay. And you know, student, I am going to today I will going to explain you the rest all exercise of chapter number 10, and the rest exercise I will give through your WhatsApp group. I will send this to the in written. Okay, but there are some questions which are already given in the book. Please ready with pencil, eraser, sharpener, and write down directly in your book with the help of the pencil. Don't use the pen. So it is very necessary to fulfill your answer. So open the page number 125. Fifth of the February 2021, class 5th, science. Okay, topic, the concept check, page number 125. Concept check, page number 125. Okay, give one word sentence answer. Second, give one word answer. First, the first question, put the odd one out, giving reason I have already completed in the last previous classes. Today we will discuss about the rest exercise of this chapter, chapter number 10. So one, what is the main source of water on the earth? You know, on the earth surface, rainwater. Second, what kind of impurities are removed by distillation? So there are two types of impurities, soluble and insoluble. So distillation and evaporation, that is the method which is remove the soluble impurities. impurities. Third, what kind of impurities? Third, which of the most common method of purifying water? Generally, all the urban and rural peoples use the killing the germ by boiling, boiling, boiling method. Boiling. Why chlorine is added to drinking water? You know, chlorine is a tablet which kills the germs to clean the water. So, to kill germs. Do complete, student. Now open the page number 127. change the topic. Chapter 10, page number 127. So ready with pencil and mark it in your book directly. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is troposphere, stratosphere, exosphere, mesosphere. So lowest, which is the first layer, that is called troposphere. I am going to rub the given one out of page number 125. Now ready with, choose the correct answer first. Choose the correct answer. Answer number 1, A. Tick on the A. Answer 2, 1 can sip cold drink through a straw due to air pressure, water pressure, straw pressure, all of them. Air pressure. A is again. Answer 3rd, a soluble impurities in water is tea leaves, mud, salt, twigs. So salt is soluble. So answer will be C. Answer number 4. The process of sedimentation can be made fast by adding alum. Okay? Not vinegar, not salt, not sugar. That is D. Answer 5th. The gas that helps in burning is, that is air, but in your option that is given the oxygen, B. Now the next question you are all write down in your fair copy. So ready with fair copy. I write down question in your free time, but I am going to write the answer only. So the second part, state true or false, also correct the false statement. First of all, take this in your book. Second, I am going to run this. Second, I am not going to whole sentence. This is understood. Fast student, because there is no extra time for the revision, so do it fast. Answer first. Air is a mixture of several gases. This is the true. Answer number 2. Nitrogen used by animals to produce energy. This is false. Correct. STATE meant is only change nitrogen, add oxygen. Oxygen is used by animals to produce energy. Third, soluble impurities can be separated by filtration or sedimentation. Soluble impurities can be soluble impurities can be separated by the evaporation and distillation. First of all, false, correct, TATE is soluble, IMPURITIES can be separated, by evaporation, change this evaporation and distillation. Add this oxygen. Fourth, aquatic plants and animals use air dissolved in water. Fourth, true. Fifth, distilled water used in injection, medicines and car batteries. True. Distilled water. True. No any sentence you can add. Give one word for the following, write in your book with the help of pencil. The short answer and the answer the following question, I will send it through your WhatsApp group in the next online class. But today I will discuss till the part 3rd of this chapter. Give one word. Okay. Now I am going to rub this. Third, one word. Answer first. Separation of insoluble impurities from water by allowing them to settle down. Separation of insoluble impurities from water by allowing them to settle down. This is the sedimentation and decantation method. Sedimentation and decantation. Method. Write down. First of all, you will write down the question, then write down the answer, then write down the question, then write down the answer. Student, don't write. Write down direct in your book. Write down direct in your book and learn it. In the front of the question, the clear water obtained after filtering the impure water. You know, the insoluble water can be filtered by the filtration method. So the water that is obtained in the another container, that is clear water, this is called the filtrate. Filtrate. Answer third. The method used to speed up sedimentation. You know, adding alum that allow to settle down the heavier particles faster. So this is called the loading. 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 Answer 4. A meteorite that enters the Earth's atmosphere. So a meteorite, several meteorites which is come in the Earth's atmosphere, that is called meteor. 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 Answer 5th. The thin layer that protect the Earth from the harmful radiation of the sun. Ozone layer. Ozone layer. Write down in your book. What are different layers of the atmosphere? Student, the next question I am going to explain because I have more time for the explanation of the question. So get ready to write down the answer, only answer, and then you will write down the question in your free time at your home with neat and clean handwriting. Okay? So I am going to explain your next exercise of this is third. I am going to explain the fourth. Very short answer question. Fourth, that is the give short answer. Give short answer. So you will all write down the question, then write down answer in this way. Okay? So I am not going to write down question. So leave the question and you will write down the question in your free time. What are the different layers of the atmosphere? The different layers of the atmosphere are the different layers of atmosphere are Write down. Are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. STRA, strato. You can write down in your in the first, second, third, fourth point. Yes. First is a troposphere. Student. Troposphere. Tropo, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Second, stratosphere, S-T-R-A, stratosphere, comma. Third, mesosphere. Fourth, thermosphere. And last, exosphere. This is the complete answer of the question number 1. Question number 2. I am not write down the question. I will write down only answer. Which gas is used to make fertilizer? You know, fertilizer, urea. So, urea is generally made by the using of nitrogen gas. Write down. Also given in your book, so write down answer. Nitrogen gas is used to make fertilizer. To make fertilizer. Yes, fertilizers. Question number 3. Answer number 3 only. How does the atmosphere protect us from space object like meteorites? How does the atmosphere protect us from space object like meteorites? Write down, student, fast. The atmosphere protects us from the space object like meteorites. The atmosphere protects us from the atmosphere protects us from space objects like meteorites, like METE, meteor. The atmosphere protects us from the space object like meteorites. Due to the friction of the earth. Due to the FRICTI friction of air. Okay, write down only 3 question answer. The next exercise I will explain in the next online classes. I hope you are all completed this in your fair copy. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.